Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class. I'm teacher Arfifa, your best science teacher in the world. So, what are we going to learn today? Yes, we continue our lesson on science process skill. So today, we are going to learn about a skill controlling variables. This is a skill to identify manipulated variable, responding variable, and constant variable. What is variables? Variables are factors or conditions that affect which is being tested. Variables can be changed in an investigation. Now, you can open up your textbook and turn to page 12. Variables are factors that can change in an investigation. Let us find out the types of variable in the following situation. These are your friends Faris and Melan. Faris and Melan were given two plants of the same type. Look, they are given two plants of the same types. They were required to investigate the amount of water needed for the healthy growth of the plant. Look, Faris placed his plant beside the window so that his plant will get enough sunlight, and he watered his plant with 100 milliliters of water once a week, while Melan placed her plant in the cupboard, so her plant won't get any sunlight. Then she watered the plant with 100 milliliters of water 3 times a week. Okay, I summarize the situation in a table. Faris and Melan plant the same type of plants. Every time they water the plants, they pour same water volume. But the watering frequency is different. Faris once a week, while Melan 3 times a week. And they also place the plant at different places. Faris near window, while Melan in the cupboard. These are all variables: plant type, water volume, watering frequency, place are variables. Next, after a month, Faris plant is larger in size. This means that they carry out an observation. They observe the plant condition. Faris plants grow bigger while Melan plants was unhealthy. So Melan say, I think our investigation is unfair. My plant did not get any sunlight. Okay, remember the concept. Plant needs sunlight to grow healthy. Now, these are all the variables: plant type, water volume, watering frequency, place of the specimen, and also plant condition. There are 3 types of variables. Look at the color code. Yellow color is representing the constant variable. Constant variables are the variables or factors that to be kept same in the investigation. The keyword is to be kept same. Next, manipulated variables I put in color in the purple color. This is the variable or factor that to be changed in the investigation. The keyword is factor or variable that to be changed. While number 3 is responding variable, I put in blue color. This is the resulting variable or condition that you observe. we back to the situation of Faris and Melan. Plant type and water volume, I put the yellow color because both of them use the same type of plant and pour the same volume of water every time they water the plants. Watering frequency and place are in purple color because they are different. So this, remember, purple color is referring to manipulated variable. Yellow color is referring to constant variable. Constant variable is the variable that keep same, sama. Dua-dua murid menggunakan tumbuhan yang sama, quantity ada yang sama. While manipulated is that we change, berbeza, tak sama dan diubah-ubah. Lastly, plant condition is the responding variables in blue color. Remember, blue color is referring to responding variable. This is the resulting variable or condition that we observe from the investigation. But in this situation, there are two variables that we change, watering frequency and place. That's why Melan said the investigation is unfair. The investigation is unfair, tak adil. So, to ensure an investigation is fair, untuk memastikan uji kaji itu adalah adil, we can only manipulate one variable only. We only manipulate one variable. Kita tak boleh manipulate lebih daripada satu faktor. Okay? So, now we manipulate the watering frequency only. We must keep same the place of plant. Maksudnya, both Faris and Melan must put the plants at the same place. Remember the keyword same. Bila same, maksudnya constant variable. Now, this variable in yellow color. So now, only one variable had been changed, had been manipulated, while the other three are kept same. Yang ini dekat bawah, blue color, you cannot change. This is remain as responding variable. This is what we are going to observe. So, this is the clue or this is the concept to ensure that the investigation is fair. So, after a month, again Faris and Melan observe the condition of their plants. Faris plants grow big, however, Melan plants grow bigger. Okay, this is a qualitative observation. In other way, you can measure the height of the plant. Okay, when you measure the height, so the observation is plant height, and you can record the height of the plant using measuring tape, using a specific tools. So this is a quantitative observation. So recall here, what is the manipulated variable in this situation? The answer is watering frequency. What are the constant variables in this situation? The answer is plant type, watering volume, and place of plants. There are three variables that keep same. However, only one variable that been manipulated. And the responding variable is plant condition. Look, let's do this activity. You can do this at home, but please get help from an adult because maybe you handling with object that may be dangerous. Okay, so how do we carry out this investigation? First, prepare 3 glasses of water in room temperature. Maksudnya, these glasses filled with water in room temperature. Semuanya sama temperature. Then, the water must be in same level. Look carefully, water in the cup. Both all the 3 glasses filled with same level of water. We are going to investigate the time of salt to dissolve completely. Different quantity of salt is put into each glass. Then, record the time until the salt dissolves completely. Again, I use the color coding. We must use same water level in room temperature. Remember, yellow color is referring to which variables? Yes, yellow color is referring to constant variable because we have the same level of water and all the temperature are same. Next, look at the color purple referring to very good, referring to manipulated variable because each glass will be filled with different amount of salt. You can see clearly in the picture. Number 3. Okay, blue color is referring to very good, referring to responding variable. Responding variable is the variable that we are going to observe. We are going to observe the time of salt to dissolve completely. So, in this investigation, what you need is three glasses filled with water, and okay, you can follow my step. We need 1 tablespoon for the first glass, 2 tablespoons of salt for the second glass, and 3 tablespoons of salt for the third glass. And of course, you need also a stopwatch to record the time. Stopwatch is the standard tools to measure time. If you don't have this kind of stopwatch, you can ask permission from your parents to use their handphone because their smartphone also has application of smartwatch. First, you must put the 1 tablespoon of salt in the first glass. Stir the salt and measure the time of salt to dissolve completely. Repeat the activity for the third glass and for the second glass and the third glass with different amount of salt. Kamu tak boleh menggunakan satu gelas air sahaja. Kamu mesti menggunakan 3 gelas air dan the water level must be same. The water temperature also must be same. Next, you can draw the table in your science book and record the time of salt dissolve completely. Okay, record di dalam jadual ini. Don't forget to turn in your work in Google Classroom. Teacher will check and grade your work. Till then, bye.